The Artemis program will soon see the return of mankind to the moon. Sustainable infrastructure is a necessary component in advancing human exploration capabilities, and this will allow for a larger human presence on the lunar surface. One of the main purposes of this program is to allow humans to stay on the moon's surface for extended periods of time.
Previous Apollo missions have revealed key details of the lunar surface, including the presence of key materials such as ilmenite and anorthite. However, the technology does not yet exist in order to process and utilize these key materials. The main focus of the NASA Big Ideas Challenge is to develop technology to be able to use these materials in the metal production pipeline.
Our solution is the magnetic origination of ore nanoparticles, or also known as Moon System. The Moon System is used to extract paramagnetic metals from bulk regolith using electromagnets. This process makes use of multiple belts driven by a single motor to drive bulk regolith through the system.
First, bulk regolith is inserted to the filter at the top of the device. This sorts out any larger rocks and any undesirable materials. The regolith will roll across the first belt and onto the second belt where the direction is reversed. An electromagnet at the center of the first belt exerts a force on the ferrous materials that go by and separates out key materials from the bulk regolith. Separated metal is stored while the remaining bulk regolith is separated into a waste pile.
The advantages of the Moon System comes from its simplicity. By using a series of gears, a single motor could drive all belts, which results in a more reliable system. Additionally, the Moon System requires minimal labor. This will be invaluable due to the amount of labor required to run the entire metal production pipeline.
The metal that the Moon System extracts is the first step in the manufacturing process, and this will work in conjunction with all the other steps in the process. Manufacturing technology will greatly impact the Artemis program because we can use these metals to generate infrastructure and use it to make land pads and storage vessels.